It's been this dream burns inside of me, and I can't just let it go. There's still so much that I don't know. I keep my eyes wide open now. Let's this ground unbroken.
Happy Wednesday today. Today is a Wednesday. Today is an update. And good morning. Today I have a photo shoot to do today. So yeah, whenever I'm on makeup, sometimes it's best that you do your makeup before you go to a photo shoot, because sometimes makeup artists don't show up, or sometimes they don't have a makeup artist. So it's best that you already have your makeup on. The makeup artist or their makeup artist, you can always wipe it off and they can do your face, or it saves time to already have your face done. Hence why my face is done. But it's not protocol to wear makeup when you go to a photo shoot, audition, or anything like that. Just to let you guys know that. Morning. Sorry guys, we are at Port Royal Beach. I call this the abandoned beach because many persons don't come here, and then the time is hella hot and the sun is hella out. But as you can see, she's a photographer. I don't know if you can see her properly. I'll get close to her. And a model, I think. She's from Canada. And he's that's the photographer that we're working with today, guys. My people. So this is my first photo shoot back in Jamaica. Since I've been back to Jamaica, this is my first photo shoot, and it is October. And check out the October color. I'm wearing army, guys, but basically it's orange, brown, natural colors, neutral colors, army type of clothing. Yeah, and I've just got to wear in the top. I have no bottom on other than my swimsuit bottom, because we're about to start shooting. All right, beautiful lady from Canada. Hey, tell them where Canada you're from. Don't give us your full address for online.
Bonjour, moi je viens de Montréal, so that's basically Montreal. I'm half French Canadian. Yes.
All I know to say,
to her.
that's right. All I know to say is Je m'appelle Rose and Lauren. I know nothing else in French. All I'm bonjour. Bonjour everybody.
That's good.
Yes. I tried to take French, when I was in high school, but I had to do Spanish as well, and Spanish messed up my entire life. Alright, so let's go to the photographer now. And you tell them what you do though. What do you do? And where they can find you.
I study marketing at university with a minor in sustainability. You can find me on Instagram at @bb_56.
And also she's a photographer too.
A little.
No, she's being modest. She's a photographer as well. So she loves the art, and she loves the art channel. Yeah, exactly. So I'm gonna go to the big man Taka.
Oh my god, let me hold on.
You ready? My beautifying thing, Alright? Tell them about you.
What to know. Hi, my name is Shallamark. I am at Instagram at Shallamark Photography. Well, basically just do Shallamark. I'm the only person in this world by the name of Shallamark. Yeah, and I create nice stuff.
I've seen his work on Instagram, and that's how we meet. And then I promised somebody that I would talk about social media and modeling, but I should talk about that. But that's how we meet on social media. Because his friend, which is also my friend, which is weird, that he's overseas now, reached out and said that he wants to do a photo shoot with me and he likes my photo, which that happened to me. Like, this is the second time we're on social media. Somebody saw me and liked my photos and gave me a job. One was paid, but this one we're networking, right? Yeah. This one we're networking, and for models that are there, try and network with different people because it's good for you. I have a good social media background, so it's also good for you. I'm gonna talk more on that, but I'm gonna get ready to do some shoots and then I'll come back and discuss why social media and networking, whether they get paid or not, is good for your modeling career. here resting in the Jamaican sand. She getting her tan on. And we're moving to the other location. Ready? Try to get Bianca after we finish some shoots. Come in some shots with me. Let you guys know that I make friends, because I know that you guys say I don't really make friends. It's true, but you know, I'm trying. I say when I get older, I'm gonna come out of my shy zone and get in my comfort zone. So the first Bianca to show her sexiness, yeah. So I wanna get her wet today. Yes, so she's an honorable model today. Although she's like a model already, but she's already a model, you know. Photographer and model. What big up her career? Large. So we're gonna go get her to do some shoots with me. Yeah. And I already made a new friend now. Yay! So when I go to Canada, guys, I already know Bianca. Say, hey, I'm looking for my friend Bianca. Yes, I make friends internationally. I'm just kidding. Yeah. So basically he's setting up for the next type of shoot, and I'm about to go change again. I'm sorry. So this is what the setup looks like, and I was told this was the old police training ground. I always thought it was like some old time days, like Port Royal, rich business place or something. I don't know, in the old time days. That's what I thought, but it's a training ground here. The ruins. From in the car, but oh my god, I'm wearing black, and as well this is up, you guys can't see me, but anyway, this is up there, and so you might can see it. My ass getting fat, I'm just kidding, but whatever. An outfit of the day, guys, and this is the up day outfit. And yes, as I said before, my booty getting fat, I'm gaining weight. Okay, let me show you. The stone just tricked me. Started again. Ready? This is the most daring outfit I've. That's a lie. Never mind. Let's go. Aww. Such a lady gentleman. Thank you.
I got it.
Thank you. Ready? Second part of our shoot today, guys. It was fun already. Still morning though. I'm gonna stop vlogging soon so Bianca can get some rest. I want her thinking I'm bugging her.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. How do I look? I look pretty? You can pause for a while though.
With this hand.
This one or this one?
No, this one, the right one. Can you have it more on your face and give me more chest with that as well? Yeah. And don't move, freeze. Look at me. Can you come back with both hands to the wall? Yeah. You Right there. Three.
My knee. The last one, guys. The last one. My knee killing me. Down the entire band.
That is sick.
My knee killing me.
Okay.
Whatever.
Okay, let me see. Can you stoop? Not legs open, but legs closed. Stoop. Press your hand and elbow here.
Some dangerous icy trying to kill me now.
Okay. And nose. Bring your body slightly that way. Yeah. Then do that and face the knee. Yeah.
I want to slap it up with my face, the angel. Hold on. I'm gonna act this out. What kind of pose is that? Ready?
Okay.
Show it to the camera, Let them see it. They're the ones who come to you.
There we go. Because you're in a dark color,
Yeah.
I don't want to put your face because it's so dark. Alright, so.
What are you doing?
I'm ready.
We're not ready now. Alright, before, let me tell you guys what happened. I was doing nothing and he lifted me up and we're trying to reproduce it.
Yes.
It's not natural now. Thank you. Something bad news. So this call for my princess, because not like Taylor Swift. All the ironing of flowers and all of that.
Princess, no. You're doing scary. Umbrella.
No. No, guys. You say Halloween is coming up. So far, I'm a sweaty witch. So I need to use my Halloween up, guys. I'm a badass witch. I know what I brought my tutu.
What I want
They
to
look so cute.
Oh, let me get my
Eye fashion, people. Eye fashion. You got the problem with in a minute.
I am.
Oh, she is.
The entire thing.
I'm gonna shoot her in my hand. We ready?
Okay, we're ready now.
What you was just doing is basically testing lighting. That's what you're doing, right?
Yeah.
Make sure the lighting on me is perfect and my skin glowing.
Yeah.
Bianca is test shotting for me. She has on her white bathing suit, and right there is showing. He's trying to catch the light.
That's perfect.
She's getting her model on.
It's perfect. It's perfect. So I need to shut off the background now.
Let you guys know that I'm feeling myself today. I feel hella happy. As I said, it's my first shoot back home in Jamaica. Back home in Jamaica, and I'm really blessed and truly honored to say that. At all times, I'm blessed and honored for this experience with these guys. Yeah, this is basically the last shoot of the day. We're just going to do a little dress shoot. I'm not going to show you guys this one because a lot of dress shoots and it's not exciting, especially up there is the ass out there, not close up day. Anyway, so that's it. So guys, remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Basically you can share it if you want to. I'm not gonna big deal, I'm Jamaican, so I'm not gonna force you to do anything you want to do, but remember to like and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. As always, peace and love. Bye. Oh yeah, and happy Halloween when it comes. I'm tired too, and I'm about to throw up, so let's get this. This is what you call scary movie. Woo, I'm sorry. Alright, so, and stand up. And legs up.
Legs up, you point.
Yeah.
Point that leg. And then the photo should be taken like right there. That's the one. Okay. Let the hand fall down. Bring your head up. More up.
Okay.
Then look to the right here.
Yeah.
Bring your head up just a little.
Okay.
Like that. And then when you're ready, go up with your leg.
You can try again. I have no problem trying again. It's like you make my brother feel funny. I feel lightheaded.
Feel lightheaded. Jump like, I like what you did with your hands, but can you jump like no, not with that, not with that, but like with both hands up, like that.
Yeah.
And when you're ready, go. One leg down and the other one up. Just bend one leg. Ready?
Then one leg alone first?
Yeah, one leg.
Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
You got it?
No, sorry.
Again.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, got it. Got it.
Let me see my face. My face is back to the little back. I'm a perfectionist. Perfect, yes. Let me see. Well, like I have one teeth now.
No, that's your tongue.
That's my tongue?
Yeah, that's your tongue. See?
Okay, let me see another one. I look sweaty though.
See, same face expression.
Okay. Okay. That's the happy one. That's not happy. Let me see the photo on that one. Oh, I was just standing. I didn't go up.
This one, you know,
You see this one?
This is one I said I like.
Go.
If you get your foot bend, one more. Yeah.
You got it?
This is all they're gonna see.
So we finished, guys, and we're driving to the Coral Beach so we can get a dip. Alright, and I'm gonna try my best to answer some questions on the beach. I don't want to disturb anybody right now. So